What's going on, HyperDrive community? Back with another HyperDrive live trading recap from our session this morning, September 12th, 2023. It was an easy day, a slow day, but it was an easy day that ended up playing out pretty nicely for us during our live trading session. As you guys know, if you've seen previous recap videos that I've done, between these green lines, I'm only looking to take our triangle entries that come out because of the HyperDrive indicator. This first green line is the start of our New York trading session, which starts at 8 a.m. Eastern. The second green line is the start of our actual trading session when we go live inside of our community, tradestyle.co. So we got a triangle. We got two triangles during this time. This first triangle was in alignment. Again, alignment simply means that we're blue on the top and blue on the bottom. So we were in alignment to buy. And when this candle closed, we entered buys. They didn't go far. It was probably about 15 points in profit, and then it came back and we ended up early closing it out when this candle closed below our triangle's low. All right, so that ended up being about a 15-20 point loss to start off, and then this triangle right here was not in alignment when it closed, so I ignored it. Some of the community did take the flip entry, another entry point that we have. We have 4 entry points: triangles, flips, HDH, HDL entry, and then the J4 money line. So I didn't take the triangle because it wasn't in alignment when it closed. The flip entry ended up working out for about 40 points, so break even, and then it came back. All right, and then here we were in a stalemate, and this is what I mean by saying that it was a slow day but an easy day. And it was slow because this entire time here, as the market was just moving sideways, we had red. We were red underneath. Okay, so since we were red underneath, that means that we can't buy or sell. We're just waiting. We're sitting on our hands. All right. So when this triangle came out, we're blue on the top but red on the bottom. That's a stalemate. So we were in a stalemate this entire time. No entries we were actually in a sale. We were actually in a sale from the touch of the J4 money line, because at the start of our session, we were red and red. So we were in alignment for sales. And I said, if it comes up and touches the J4, this is an active candle, so we'll take this sale. So we ended up taking this sale, and we held on to it because we were in a stalemate. And we ended up getting to BE and BE only. So we got out of the woods on that trade, ended up being even for that trade. And at that point, we were moving slow. Again, we really didn't have any news today. So I was already telling the community, telling everybody on the session that, I'm pretty much done for the day. But if we get a trade to align, I will take it. All right, so if we get a setup that is in alignment, whether that's alignment on the buy side or alignment on the sell side, I will take one more shot. So that's what ended up happening. This was after we entered our session. We got this triangle that actually not only was a triangle, that it put us back in alignment. So it's technically a flip entry, a triangle entry, and it also closed above the HDH. So there was an entry right off the top here. There's an entry right off the HDH here as well. And that was the one that sent us up to where you see the market currently at. Currently, the time is 1:10 Eastern. So we're still in this trade. We have a runner. We've already hit 3 TPs on this trade so far from the HDH or the flip entry. And I truly believe that the market is going to head up to around 34,903 because that is where the weekly level is sitting. So I think that we're going to see this market continue to rise to about that spot. Regardless, we've already came and done exactly what we needed to do, what we wanted to do during our session. So wherever this market goes, it really doesn't matter to us. We are already done and collected for the day. So that was pretty much our session. Like I said, slow day, but an easy day. Just literally following the game plan, following the system. Speaking of system, if you want to learn how we do what we do, you can click the link in the description and join tradestyle.co. I give you the indicator. We have live sessions every day, Monday through Friday at 9:20 a.m. Eastern. And most importantly, I teach you how I do exactly what I do, and you can have the tools at your disposal to be able to do the exact same thing that we do live. So you get all of that access when you join tradestyle.co. So click the link in the bio or in the description, and literally I could see you in class tomorrow for our Wednesday session. All right, hopefully you enjoyed this recap. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll be continuously doing recaps every single day, no matter what, win, lose, or draw. You'll see a recap from the session if we had a live trading session. All right, so till next time, stay patient, stay consistent, and your breakthrough will come. I'm Coach CJ. Peace out.